Morning guys, happy Saturday or whatever day it is where you are. I am doing a day in my life vlog. It is, what day is it? Saturday, January 11th. Sorry, I don't know why that was so hard to say. And we're kind of just getting back into the grind today. I just woke up. It is like almost 10 o'clock. It's 9:42 and I let myself go to bed at like 11 last night and I woke up at 9. So I got some good sleep and I told myself if I woke up in time I would go to boxing. This will be my 9th day of working out in a row, but I worked out 10 times in the last 9 days. So I'm doing really good. So today will be 11th workout, day 9. And I'm getting like to the point where I'm like looking forward to it. So we're going to boxing this morning. Sorry I sound so nasally. This is like the first thing I've said out loud today. Anywho, I just thought it would be fun to bring you off in a day in my life. I'm running a little behind this morning, so I will do more of a, you know, like I always do like a little room update and like update for the week kind of thing when I do my vlogs. But we'll kind of do that after because I need to go like right now. And I also got my Spark and my water, and then I also took my supplements this morning, and I will tell y'all about these in a little bit. But the Ripped Rooster from Hum, I'm starting to see results because it's been about 3 to 4 weeks, and 10 out of 10 recommend. I'll tell you more about the other ones that I have from this company later. They're really, really good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay guys, I just left Title Boxing. Sorry for like the quick messy intro. I'm fully awake now and energized and ready for the day. It's 10:55. That class was killer. So the regular guy, like I enjoy going to the guys classes more than the girls. I know that sounds weird, but a lot of the times the girls will play like Taylor Swift and Ariana Grande, and I love Taylor Swift and Ariana Grande, but I don't really like to work out to those kind of songs. I'm more of a Drake kind of, you know, like that kind of workout songs, like throwback hip-hop songs, and so that's what like all the guys always play. And this was like such a good class. I burned 524 calories in 45 minutes, and it was really good. I also went last night, and last night when I went on a Friday night, I know it's crazy, I got my first pair of boxing gloves. I finally got me a pair. I got gold, and I got these because I've normally used the ones that they have in there that are free, but they decided these are only going to be for new customers now, or you have to start paying $5 per time. So I figured this is an investment, and they're gold because I like gold, and they have like gel in them. And then I also got some new hand wraps because mine smells so bad. But whew, I'm like so tired, honestly. Today's gonna be a busy day. We're gonna get a lot done. It's kind of rainy out. Now we're gonna go home and shower, and even though like I'm so tired and sweaty, I'm starving. So we're gonna eat some lunch, and I have some food that I cooked last night, and we're gonna eat that. And see y'all in a bit after my shower. Okay y'all, so I'm home out of the shower in my robe and in my slippers, and I'm about to eat some lunch. It's like noon now. I talked to my mom, and just have kind of been like sitting around, took a long shower, but this is my lunch. So if you can't tell, I took a chicken, rotisserie chicken, and then I shredded it last night, and I ate like a chicken fajita situation, and then like in Kroger they have peppers and an onion little mix already put together. So this is like the quickest easy meal. It takes like less than 10 minutes to make. And so I'm just gonna heat this up, and then also heat up a tortilla. And so I'm trying to like cut down on dairy, not completely cut out, because I don't want my body to get shocked if I ever have it. But this is what I'm gonna put on it, just a little sour cream and a little cheese. I feel like everything is important with moderation. And then I found these tortillas that are low carb. So they're 90 calories and have 8 grams of protein. And what did they say? Only 6 grams of carbs. So I'm gonna use one of these. And now this is our lunch. I'm just gonna top it off. And it's really big. I honestly made me 2 last night, and I can only eat like barely even 1. so it really is like super filling. Okay, so now we're gonna eat our food and find something to watch on TV, and always The Office is on Comedy Central. Oh, wrong thing. Yeah, on Saturdays they normally do like an Office marathon. I could honestly just keep watching The Office over and over and never get bored with it. But yeah, we're gonna eat and watch this for a little bit. Actually, I forgot that Auburn plays Georgia today, so it's a pretty big game because Auburn's like ranked number 5 and 14-0. And fun fact, if you don't know anything about my life, I actually used to work here all through college, and it was so much fun. I miss my coworkers so much. We had the best time. So our job was to like help set up and break down from games. So we did like goals, all the chairs that you see around. Those are my coworkers, or my old coworkers, and like the scoreboards, or not the scoreboards, like the table where the people that do the score stuff and the announcers sit. We did that, swept the floor, did stuff in the practice gym, pretty much anything that was held around the Auburn arena. So honestly, the colors had me a little bit confused. I thought that Auburn, that was like orange and blue uniforms and then white and like black, but I had it backwards. So I was just cheering for the wrong team because I thought that that was orange and blue, but that's just Georgia right there. So I may watch this for a little bit and then film some videos. Hey guys, so I still have ESPN going on in the background, but I think I'm about to film a makeup video. I haven't filmed a makeup video in what feels like so long. Also, do you like my new additions to my bookshelf? My dream is to have like a purse wall, so that's what I got going on now. But anywho, we are about to film a makeup video, and honestly I don't have like anything specific in mind. I was gonna do like a chit chat get ready with me, or like a full face of current favorites, but I feel like a lot of those are very similar. I'm not like in the mood to do like a full glam look because today is a pretty chill day. I'm going to the grocery store later and going to look for the rest of the ingredients to make the medicine ball from Starbucks. I haven't really talked about that on here yet, but I have been hooked on those things. Like, I've had them before, but something about lately, I've just been really loving them. They taste so good, and right now I have one of the teas that goes in it in the Crystal Light, but I cannot find the other tea anywhere, so we're gonna try and find that today. And then also I'm gonna get my stuff to meal prep for the rest of the week. Normally I go on Sundays, but tomorrow I'm gonna be gone all day long with my friend Mason. We're going to brunch in the morning and then going to a coffee shop to do work stuff. It's a busy week for me, and then we're going to church tomorrow night. So I have a lot going on tomorrow, but I need to just get some stuff done today. So I'm gonna film a makeup video, and then I'm gonna film a what is in my Louis Vuitton bag. I'm so shocked that I get to film that video. It's crazy, and I'm really excited, so I'm gonna film those 2 videos. And so it's 12:30 right now. I'm gonna try and be productive early in the day so I can turn it in early tonight, because I really want to go to the gym in the morning. So guys, this was the situation from filming. So I just filmed a what is in my Louis Vuitton Neverfull purse, so if you want to go check that out, it's on my channel now. And the Auburn game went off. Auburn won, so War Eagle, and it smells so good. I have this Mary Mimosa candle that's been burning pretty much all morning, and it smells like champagne toast, but a little bit more holiday themed, and it's raining outside right now, so it's kind of gloomy. This is what I wore to film in this little turtleneck sweater. I love this sweater. I think it's from American Eagle. I really need to go to the grocery store because it's I'm gonna be gone all day tomorrow, but it's so rainy and gloomy outside that I don't really want to go, you know, and get all wet and then have to load in groceries and stuff. That just does not sound like a good time. So I'm missing the Jade Citrus tea. I was able to find the Peach Tranquility yesterday at Kroger, and then I got these at Target, and then this was in my cabinet. I don't see an expiration date on it, but I know I had this for like a long time, but I don't know, does honey even expire? So I changed my top because that was like a nicer top, and so I'm just wearing a lounge top. I think I'm gonna turn the TV off, y'all. And then this is my bed. I didn't make it this morning because I had full intentions in getting back into it today, And oh my goodness, I'm gonna actually put these back on for a second. But I think what I'm about to do is get in my bed and read. So if you know, one of my New Year's goals was to read more, and I wasn't allowed to watch or read Harry Potter growing up. I know, like, some things you can respect, but that was really a stupid rule. And so I'm about to read Harry Potter. I've already read half of it almost. I thought I'd read more than that. I've been telling people that I was almost done with it, but I read this in like one night. So yeah, if you look down here, I went to Barnes & Noble the other day and I bought the entire series. It was kind of expensive, honestly, but I want to read them, and if any of my friends want to read them, here they go. So got my water. I'm gonna fill this up a little bit more. I think I've told y'all how my water was really slow. I got the water filter changed, and I think he fixed it because now it's like really fast. So that's awesome. I know it's like just a little thing, but yeah. And then later I need to take out this trash into the recycling. But it's just such a gloomy day, and I really just needed to chill because I've been grinding all week. Worked out 11 times in 9 days, and my bed is just calling my name. And that's my bear that I got from Build a Bear. His name is Michael Scott. Yeah, he's in a suit. He's so cute. I just had to show y'all. This is the vibe. I needed this. Whew, I'm about to get onto the sorting hat. I took a quiz when I went to like the Harry Potter website, and I got Hufflepuff, but I don't know if that's right. I feel like I'm more of a Slytherin, but I don't know. I guess I'm going to learn more about the houses as I read these books, and then after I read them, I'm going to retake the quiz and see where I belong, because I don't know. I don't really know anything about them. So guys, it's not much later. These are clean dishes I need to just unload, but it is still raining hard outside, so I may have to like rearrange my schedule tomorrow to where I can go to the grocery store. So I'm thinking I'm about to actually make me some of this tea by itself because I like peach things anyway. Also, I think I'm gonna see if I can make it iced, which I feel like it's pretty basic. So you know, I did this giveaway with this cup for that I did like a giveaway of this cup and the espresso machine for Christmas, but I loved this cup so much that I went and bought my own because I really did want it so bad. But I gave one of them away, and then I went to Target to get another one. So this is hot pink, and then I have light pink, and then I have this clear one that my boss gave me for my birthday. But I'm about to make some kind of situation. I may try to do a little bit of this lemonade too. I want the medicine ball, but I want it iced. I don't know if you can do that, but I'm about to make a concoction here. So I'm just putting like a tiny bit of water, like maybe 3 inches in this, and then I'm gonna dump like half of this in here just to give it a little bit of a lemonade feel. I'm trying to make a Starbucks drink, but I don't know if this is gonna turn out. Water is boiling, I can hear it. And I'm just gonna put one of these guys in here. It is really hot. Put like a little dab of honey in there. That's kind of weird going into ice. Okay, that was actually the perfect amount with all the spilling happening. So good at making messes, y'all. Okay. Let's like mix it together. Also, this is pretty much just like an iced peach tea lemonade. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Actually really good. Tastes like an iced peach tea lemonade. It's hard to say. I mean, I think it's good. Okay guys, so that was a fail. So after I made my tea, I laid back down and was about to start reading my book, and I started getting so sleepy. So I almost took a nap, and then I was like, no, I want to go to bed early tonight because I want to wake up before my busy day tomorrow and go work out because I'm on this grind and I want to work out every day. And actually I'm like not pushing myself to do it. I actually look forward to doing it now. So what I'm gonna do, it's kind of like barely sprinkling, I think we're gonna go ahead and go to the grocery store. Okay, so I made it to the grocery store. This is my favorite grocery store, the Market District one in Columbus. It's not that rainy actually anymore, which is good. It's still drizzling, but not bad. So let's go get some grub. Y'all, I just got back from the grocery store and guess what they had? Okay, so I got another one of these teas, but they also had the mint jade citrus mint tea that I needed. So we're very happy. I went ahead and got another of the peach tranquility, so that way I'll have like double of both, so I'll be able to make a lot. And then on top of that, I went to Bibi Bop. Oh goodness, the soup spilled. So they have free soup. I don't know how I feel about it. Kind of didn't smell too great, and I'm not a huge fan of like miso soup or whatever it's called, but that's what's wet in here. And so this is what I got. So I get like the noodles with red cabbage, kale, chicken, black beans, carrots, and a little bit of cheese, and then yum yum and teriyaki, and then I got an extra side of both of the sauces. So it's really good, and it's not like if you're wanting to eat out, it's a pretty like healthy cheat meal, I guess, because it is kind of like not as great as it could be, but it's still not bad. I'm gonna probably hop in the shower just to wash my face off. I like to use my face scrubber that you've seen in my skincare routine, especially when I wear a full face of makeup, because that stuff is like magical from Duval. It's so good. But I'm not gonna wash my hair tonight. I know y'all, I've talked about how I enjoy having wet hair, but I'm kind of getting into the routine since I go to the gym in the morning. I take a shower in the morning, and my hair is pretty clean, so I won't wash it again until after I get back from the gym tomorrow. I love lighting a candle before I get in the shower, so that way when I get out, it's normally like the room will be all smelly. Hey y'all, so it's later now. It's 8:30. Let's see if it'll focus. And I decided to go ahead and get in bed. I'm gonna edit a video that I filmed today. I'm gonna edit the what is in my Louis Vuitton bag. So I can have that up for tomorrow. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm gonna have another video where I talk more about these. But Home Nutrition, this is not sponsored by the way, they sent me these supplements probably a little over a month ago, and I really got into using them really the past couple of weeks, and I am obsessed. Okay, so these are probably my favorite, the Beauty Z. So it's like, it has melatonin in it and B6, and I kid you not, if you cannot sleep, if you have sleep issues, this doesn't make you like drowsy, it just makes you fall asleep within like 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not even joking. It just makes you like go to sleep so smoothly and stay asleep all night long. This, I have finally really starting to see results, because between like a well-balanced diet and exercise, you'll see results with this. And so this just really helps burn fat, which is what I really have been wanting to do, and I've been in the gym every day and eating healthy. Over Christmas break I started taking these, but I was eating so bad, so I decided to wait, and it does take about 3 to 4 weeks to see results, and I'm starting to see them now. So it's amazing. And then this one, like I said earlier, my hair has been so smooth and I haven't had to wash it as much as I normally would, and then also my skin has really cleared up, and so this is for glowing skin and shiny hair. It just has black currant seed oil, gamma linolenic acid, and vitamin E. Y'all know I can't read, but they have so many different ones on their website, and I'll link them down below if you want to check them out too. They sell these in Sephora as well, which is really cool that a brand in Sephora sent me something, so I love that. So guys, it is like 8:42. I'm about to edit this video, and then I'm gonna read a couple chapters of Harry Potter, and I want to be asleep by like 9:30, 10 o'clock, because I'm gonna wake up in the morning and go work out. So I feel like I said the same things all day in my vlogs, but hopefully today wasn't too boring. I just wanted to show you a video of me getting back into the grind, back with my routine. I love my little weekend routines where I get myself together, and that's it. I'll see y'all in my next video, and stay blessed wherever you are, and have a great day. Bye!